我们这个中国的传统植物染料染色技艺，是我们中国的非物质文化遗产一个其中优秀的一个技艺。它同时也体现了我们人和自然的一种和谐关系。
The practice of plant dyeing, or natural dyeing, which involves using plants for textile coloring, dates back to China's Zhou dynasty. Over the 2,000 years, written references to the practice only prove the existence of a dozen color types. Half of Dream of the Red Chamber is a history of colors. This is renowned dyer Huang Ronghua's literary analysis of the classic novel. He has dedicated 10 years to research in this field and has successfully restored over 60 colors from Dream of the Red Chamber using plant dyes. He is hailed as China's foremost authority on natural dyeing after 40 years of color research and tens of thousands of dyeing experiments. He is also the sole inheritor of this intangible cultural heritage of plant dyeing in China. Huang believes that traditional Chinese colors are a great treasure. Unearthing the treasures of traditional culture and promoting them is where the charm of Chinese tradition lies.
我能够把我们本民族的，把我们中国这个技艺传下去，我觉得这是一个手艺人应该做的。所有的荣誉都是身外之物。